The wait is over. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R has arrived. And it's packing more power, cutting-edge tech, and aggressive styling than ever before. But does it live up to the hype? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Honda's ultimate hot hatch. Inside and out. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Exterior design. The 2025 Civic Type R is all about aggressive aerodynamics. From the bold lines and wide stance to the massive rear wing and functional vents, every detail screams performance. Honda has fine-tuned the design to maximize downforce while keeping it sleek and sporty. And let's not forget those signature red Type R badges. They mean business, engine, and performance. Under the hood, Honda continues its legacy with a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine that roars to life with even more power. With an increased horsepower output, insane torque, and a lightning-quick 0 to 60 miles per hour time, this Type R is built for adrenaline-fueled driving. Whether on the track or the streets, this hatch is an absolute thrill machine. Interior and technology. Step inside and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for performance. The digital dashboard keeps all your vital stats front and center, while the sport seats offer maximum comfort and control. Honda's latest infotainment system, premium materials, and driver-focused controls make every drive an immersive experience. Pricing and value. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Type R doesn't just bring the heat, it brings a premium price tag too. But is it justified? We'll break down what you get for your money and whether this beast is truly worth the investment for performance car lovers. If you loved this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe to Car Release TV for more epic car content. Hit that like button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more thrilling car reviews. Until next time, keep your engines revving.